Agents aren't just calling tools, they're learning to retrieve the right graph facts, under noise, across multiple steps, and still deliver a concise final answer. Today's focus: how to evaluate that, plus a quick pointer to Neo4JS New. Get to know Graph and GenAI webinars for leveling up graph skills. What MCP brings. Model Context Protocol acts like a USB-C for AI apps. Standard servers expose tools and data via JSON RPC, so any compliant client can plug in and reason over external systems with reusable components instead of bespoke integrations each time. Neo4JS MCP04J Cipher Server exposes schema viewing, read queries, and safe writes, returning structured results that agents can chain in multi-step reasoning loops. Why single-shot benchmarks fall short. Traditional text-to cipher evaluates one-shot query correctness, but real agents iterate, fetch schema, probe with cipher, inspect results, refine, and compose multi-hop answers, so the benchmark must reflect stepwise retrieval and synthesis, not just canonical query matching. The updated framing moves evaluation from "was the exact query right?" to "was the final answer semantically correct given the user's task," using an LLM as judge to score usefulness over brittle exact matches. Key evaluation shifts. Measure final answer quality under multi-step plans rather than query equivalence alone, capturing how agents navigate relationships and aggregate results across calls. Control result granularity. Avoid huge result sets that conflate retrieval with summarization skill. Emphasize concise, accurate answers derived from targeted graph reads. Add real-world noise, typos, colloquial phrasing, and underspecified prompts to test robustness that clean benchmarks miss, aligning with deployment realities. Benchmark setup and findings. The team ran an agent hosted in LangChain with only the MCP04J Cipher tool, using Claude 3.7 Sonnet as the agent and GPT-4o Mini as the judge across 200 Q&A pairs stratified by hop count and noise conditions. The agent averaged a 0.71 score overall, with accuracy dropping on higher hop questions and noisy prompts, and averaged 3.6 tool calls per question, typically schema fetch plus main query, highlighting efficient but iterative behavior. Constraints and trade-offs. Imposing a 10-step recursion cap noticeably reduced performance, with mean score dropping to 0.535 and sharper declines on 3+ hop tasks, quantifying the cost of limiting deeper reasoning chains for latency or budget control. Embedding schema as an MCP resource could reduce tool call count by removing the explicit schema fetch step, improving both speed and reliability in early planning. Why this matters for builders. A transparent benchmark unlocks systematic iteration, tweaks step limits, retrieval strategies, schema exposure, and summarization boundaries, then measure impact with consistent scoring rather than guessing trade-offs.